Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn one of the simplest and most fun projects with the ESP32 board, making an LED blink. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Now let's take a look at the components we need for this experiment. First one is ESP32, a 220 ohm resistor, then a LED small breadboard, and two male to female jumper wires. Now let's connect the whole circuit. First we will take our LED, and always remember that the long leg of the LED is positive and small one is negative. And place it on the breadboard. Like this. Now we will connect wires in these two lines. First we will connect our resistor with the positive pin of the LED like this. Always make sure that your resistor is connected properly on the breadboard. Now we will connect a wire with negative pin of the LED like this. And now we will connect a wire within this line with resistor. Like this. Now connect the white wire with ESP32D5. Like this. And now connect the black wire with ESP32 ground. Like this. Now our connection is completed. Now just connect the micro USB data cable with your ESP32. And other end with PC like this. Now just open Arduino IDE on your PC. And select ESP32 Dev board from the board option. Then simply copy the code from the website. And now give pin number 5 to LED, because we have connected our LED with D5 pin of the ESP32. Here, in the void setup, we have written the code for the LED output. In the loop section, LED high means the LED will always be on. Now just verify the code. The code is correct means we can upload the code. And now upload the code. Now the LED will start to blink according to the code. As you can see in the video, the LED is blinking. Now, if we write only low in the code on the place of on, the LED will remain off all the time. After uploading the code, as you can see in the video, the LED is now turned off. Now we will add delays to make our LED turn on and off in a loop. This sends a high signal to pin 5, which means the LED turns on. This makes the ESP32 wait for 1 second. This turns the LED off. Wait for 1 more second. So the LED turns on for 1 second, then off for 1 second, and this repeats forever. As you can see in the video. Now if we change the delay to smaller value like 200, the LED will blink very fast, like it's twinkling. As you can see in the video, the LED is blinking too fast. We can even make the LED stay on for a longer time and off for a shorter time by giving different delay values. For example, on for 1.5 seconds by giving 1500 and off for only half a second by giving 500. This way the LED glows more than it stays off. Like this. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.